As we left Leeds, we can see some nice scenery. So I think you can see that sun is slowly setting. Hello everyone, welcome to People Fresh. So today we are going to do the most scenic train ride in England, which is through the Yorkshire Dales. So for that, first I need to get to Leeds train station. So everyone, welcome to this new video. So we are in the Leeds station now, so let's find the platform. So from Leeds we are taking the Leeds to Carlisle train, which will be ready in 5-10 minutes. So this is the line we are taking from Leeds to all the way to Carlisle in Lake District. But obviously the scenic route will be from Settle to Carlisle. I don't think the rest won't be that scenic. So that's our train, but looks like it's quite busy train today. This is a really busy train. It looks like most of them are hikers. Quite nice weather today, so everybody is going out for a hike. As we left Leeds, we can see some nice scenery. So next stop is Settle, where is the actual scenic road start. So we can already see some scenic views from here. So hopefully it will get better. This train ride from Leeds to Carlisle is like nearly 2 hours, and it's only like £12 if you book. Even if you buy the same day, it will be like £13-14, not more than that. So good value for money. Finally we are in Settle, so from here the view is supposed to be really scenic. As soon as we left Settle, it's quite beautiful scenery, definitely. Plenty of sheep everywhere. So after Settle, people started to get off from the train, so it's not that crowded anymore. This village is called Dent, and so far this is the most beautiful village, I think. We are not going all the way to Carlisle. We are getting off half an hour before to Appleby and walk around here and get a train back in the evening. So I will record a little bit more to see how the evenings looks like in Yorkshire Dale. Really beautiful little train station. So let's get out here. Hi everyone, back in Appleby now. So it's nearly 7 o'clock. So I think you can see that sun is slowly setting. Because soon sun will be setting, so we will see some nice scenery on the Yorkshire Dale. So hope for the best. And in 10-15 minutes our train will be here. We are seeing some more dramatic scenery. So I think that's it then. That beautiful Yorkshire Dale. So we will be leaving Settle soon. That's my most scenic train journey in England. So hey, stop it. So I will see you all next time. Bye bye.